Hello, 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 hello. This is Bagel Cancer Hospital, and we're going to be talking about cancer today. And hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hello, 1, 2, 3, hello. ये हमारे नीले हैं और जिनका टैटू है वो टैटू दिखाएं। वो रमन मैडम है और आईपी सिंह है, वो दिखाएंगे अपना टैटू।
हेलो
साहिल,
सो आइडिया को रेफर करना चाहिए ब्लड सेंटर में। ये आपको
Good morning, everybody.
प्राइवेट सेंटर है, गवर्नमेंट सेंटर। आप जाकर बोलोगे तो उनका रेफर करवा देंगे।
ठीक है, पेशेंट को देख लेते हैं।
आप
This is a video on a cancer hospital, and we'll be talking about cancer.
बस में पीजिएगा। मैं आता हूँ अपने जॉब सामने बंदे को फोन करूँगा, यहाँ से मैं आता हूँ रेफर।
Cancer hospital is a very multifactorial, काफ़ी सारे specialties हैं हमने which cancer is at a treatment anti-cashless planning is done. आयुष्मान भारत का यहाँ पे स्कीम चलती है और कैशलेस थेरेपी क्लास 4 and basically all the thumb printing is done. Ayushman Bharat and I'm Dr. Begal. I'm an oncologist, medical oncologist, practicing for the past 30 years, and it's been 25 years to our hospital. And in the background, as you can see, we have the relatives of the patient explaining to her about the treatment of the patient. This is the family of doctors. And this is the front office. ECHS Ayushman, separate counter for the ECHS and Ayushman. And it's like a normal busy day. It's actually 1 PM. हाँ जी पापा जी, क्या हो गया? आयुष्मान कार्ड चल नहीं रहे? चल रहे? क्या हो गया? मंजूरी नहीं है? मंजूरी आ जाएगी, वो मोदी साहब की आने वाली है। ठीक है? That's Mr. He is negotiating with the vendors regarding the chemotherapy drugs, and the chemotherapy drugs there will be a print of 20,000 rupees and actually costing 2,000. Here is Sudan negotiating with the vendors, and this is a very busy. The busy part has gone, the morning part, and now it's lunch time. What time is it? It's 1:30, and this is the lunch break going on in the hospital. This is Richa Madam, our counselor, a junior counselor. This is Lucia Madam, and she's a head counselor, very senior person. And we don't mess around with her. Her husband is in the police. This is Rani Madam, Aman Walia, and she takes care of the billing and the reception and all the patients. And this is the work she's doing. I don't know, check computer. The hospital software going on, and this is looks like a normal hospital, and this big poster which I'm showing you was set up in our first radiotherapy machine in 2004, and it's faded a lot, but we choose not to color it, and we choose not to color it because it's just sentimental ties, because we put it in front of our first machine. And as you can see, Sudan is very busy negotiating. They're explaining to the old mother whether to start treatment or not. And we're quite busy here. That's Richa Madam contemplating her next patients coming and getting bugged with me regarding and these are our class 4s, and they help the patients right from the door, from the ambulance to the wheelchair to the bed, and the change the bed and all the G-Drug. He used to look after my previous machine, and now the other person is auntie कहते हैं इनको प्यार से And I will buy one. I have to make some. This is the first mode. Here we keep a triage. The new patients will come. The new patients will come. We उन्होंने अच्छे देखते हैं. And सारे नवे पेशेंट होंगे ना. And इन नाल दे कितने के?
ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਦੇ
ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੁਲਾ ਲਿਆ
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਾ ਪਾਈਪ ਦਾ ਟੇਢਾ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਪਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਸੇ ਦੂਜੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਹਵਾ ਭਰੀ ਪਈ ਹੈ ਪਾਈਪ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਹਵਾ ਅੰਦਰ ਜਾਈ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਸੀਰੀਅਸ ਕੰਮ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ है और बाकी तो बीमारी तो पता ही है फैली हुई है सारी चीज़ें बाकी देख रहे हैं जो कर सकते हैं हम कर रहे हैं
ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ ਰੁਕਿਓ
ਬੁਲਾ ਲਿਆ
और सर ठीक हो he's come for chemotherapy he's due for
sağlık da var. Hiç de tuğrana ama sağlık da var. Doktor ve o da maturlu
हाँ समझ
ਸਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ
ਸਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾ ਪਾਈਪ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਸੇ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਟੇਢੀ ਪੈ ਗਈ ਹੈ। ਦੂਜੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਹਵਾ ਭਰੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਅੰਦਰ ਤਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਲੀਕ ਇਸ ਪਾਸੇ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਸ ਪਾਸੇ ਇਹ ਦੇਖ ਟੇਢੀ ਪਈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਪਈ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਐਮਰਜੈਂਸੀ ਚ ਪਈ ਹੈ ਗਲਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਈ ਪਰ ਉਹਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕਾਲੀ ਕਾਲੀ ਚ ਨਾ ਇਹ ਦੇਖੇ ਨਾ ਸਮਝ ਉਹਨੇ ਸਾਇਲ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਥੀਏਟਰ ये वाला लेफ्ट साइड का बिल्कुल ही हवा जा रही है अंदर जाके प्रॉब्लम हो रही शायद शी इज स्टेज 4 पेशेंट एंड वी ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट ठीक है कोई चक्कर नहीं लंबा ज़्यादा कम नहीं अपन करते पैप ही ले ये बस these patients were first admission and serious patients are see, check this ICU. Yes, sir. ICU people. These are patients in the ICU. And 5 minutes. अंदर नहीं जा सकते. वो पर्दा कर दोगे जरा? ना कर सकते. That's another patient we have. She's a not a cancer patient but a cardiac patient. Serious patient and this patient is with maggots in the mouth and we're trying our best to revive her and
ਸਰ ਦੁਆਰਾ
security अंदर है ना this is one of our security guys he keeps roaming around the hospital and we're very proud of our security people. And this is the mezzanine level. Mezzanine was a word which I learned during the architecture. Still, I don't understand what it means. And this is what the mezzanine floor shows. And this is the accounts room. This is a junior accountant. A senior accountant, as you can see, is gone for a lunch for which will last around 2 hours. 2 घंटे की lunch होती है?
ਹਾਫ ਐਨ ਆਵਰ
2 घंटे तो आए नहीं ना लंच में this is my wife's chair and she's a surgeon she's a surgical oncologist and ये वाहिगुरु जी का and we pray to all the gods available and we have blessing सबकी लगती है हमारे ऊपर Christian Muslim Sikh Now this is the UPS room. इसका खासियत है कि this is the UPS for the machine and it has so many batteries and this is a wonderful UPS and it's takes care of the machine and everything and we also use it for the lunch break bedroom. यहाँ चादर लगा के हम दोपहर को सो जाते हैं दरवाजा बंद करके It's a wonderful AC वाला कमरा है ये UPS में लगा Now we come to the main part to address This is a pharmacy we have allegedly 3 pharmacists जिसमें से एक नजर आ रहा है मैम क्या नाम है आपका This is Sarika She's also from Himachal. He's from Assam. So I'm
Sikkim.
just
Sikkim.
Sikkim and Assam and Nepal. But I'm just emphasizing the lack of Punjabis in Punjab. So this is Suzanne, जिसकी मैं फोटो दिखा रहा था in that small photo. He was open negotiating the pharmacy chemotherapy drugs, and he's also a pastor, and he's one of my trustworthy workers here, and this is he's
Thank you so much.
whatever. And this is Sahil, whom I trust with my heart, and this is Raman, whom I trust with my heart, and we have a circle of 6-7 people who are the inner circle of a 150 strong workforce, and these 7 people are without whom this institute could not run, and I'm so grateful to them. And these are the fridges we have for chemotherapy for multiple drugs, and we're getting another bigger one from home because the old one got changed. So a huge fridge is also coming from home, and उसमें और बड़े-बड़े कीमो रखेंगे.
This is for canteen, sir.
This is for
not for pharmacy.
कैंटीन वाला एक और है सर, कैंटीन वाला एक और है, एंड यहाँ पे भी गणेश जी लगे हुए हैं. इवन दो इज ए पास्टर, यहाँ गणेश जी लगे हुए हैं, तो क्रॉस क्यों नहीं लगाया पास्टर जी ने पता नहीं. चलो मैम, ठीक है मैम. दूसरे एक कौन है फार्मेसिस्ट का नाम? केडी एंड साक्षी.
Karan, sir. Karan.
Karan. So now we'll be going to the ये मैम हमारे MRD वाले लंच खाने के लिए जा रहे हैं. I will take this upper steps. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਰਹੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਅੰਦਰ ਰਹੋ. All Himachali should be inside. ये हमारे परचेजर जा रहे हैं ऊपर लंच खाने. और ये हमारा हिमाचली स्टाफ है. नो पंजाबी. तो एक पंजाबी सिस्टम ही नहीं सकते. ठीक है. Cancer is nothing to be scared of. Here it's just like a family, and we have 150 plus employees. HMM हमारे 150 plus employees होंगे ना? 157. ठीक है, 157.
157.
So we manage all of them, and our HR is doing a wonderful job. Plus the person जो कुर्सी पे नहीं बैठा हुआ वो छुट्टी पे गए हैं. I'm able to talk so much because my wife is also not here, and she's also on a holiday. And as I showed you, my painting was that was my daughter's painting, and this is my mother-in-law's painting. So we keep both of them here, and this is Kadali on the
Panel.
Huh?
Panel.
This is a panel room, whatever it's for. What को पता? हाँ? क्या नहीं रुक रहा?
खाती है वही उल्टे देना.
नाली तो नहीं डालनी.
नहीं, सही
ये as you can see, as I was telling you, the patient refuses a Ryle's tube, so we will convince them. नीचे आप Ryle's tube के लिए मनाओगे, नहीं तो कमजोर हो जाते हैं. कैंसर में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, कैंसर के इलाज में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती. जब मरीज खाना पीना बंद कर देता है तब दिक्कत होती है. ऊपर जाना, ऊपर. अच्छा, नीचे जाना. Now we will be going to the free ward. Raja. These are the toilets. I don't think I need to show you the toilets. ये दरवाजा ताला खोल दो, ताला खोल दो. This is our free ward, free ward, and this is Deepshikha. She is our nurse, and she has been with us for the past 8 years, and we can't have done a better job without her. And she's also from Himachal, and she does wonderful work. and we're blessed to have her, and she's one of the 7-8 people whom we trust in our organization. कोई नहीं सर आप जाइए। This is डॉक्टर साहब हमारे RMO हैं, and I just patients are off. And this is one of our top-3 wards. These are patients on radiotherapy. They are all doing well. सारे खाना पीना खा रहे हैं। See, that's the issue. She has no problem with the treatment, but जलन हो रही है, दर्द हो रही है, कब्जी हो रही है, नींद नहीं हो रही है, but they won't put a right to. लगे इस मौसम में वे need 3 liters of blood, और वो करेंगे। Right? खून आराम करता। क्यों नहीं? अब मरीज कौन सा है दोनों में से? इसके ला दो, इसको ला दो। तो मरीज से जगह गिरी है, ये लाओ की जो डे केयर पेशेंट्स होते हैं हमारे, we put them on the side for this because of the overflow. I'm sorry for that, but these are day care patients. They just come for 1 day and go. These are patients. That's the toilet. There's an AC fitted in every room. For take up. And these are all the kits which we have and all this stuff. And this is the waiting room. And this leads to the OT. This is the main general ward. Ward-free ward. Nobody's charged anything for the admission. And mostly under the Ayushman Bharat scheme. खाना खाओ उतार दो कोई दिक्कत नहीं। This is the food which we supply free of cost, and इसमें दाल रोटी चावल सब्जी होते हैं, और मरीज पता नहीं कितना खाता है, रिश्तेदार ज़्यादा खा जाते हैं मेरे ख्याल।
लस्सी दलिया भी होता है सर इसमें।
ये हमारा ढाबे का हमारा कैंटीन का खाना था, मेरे भी था। तो this is the food which we give free of cost, and these are the patients, and as you can see most of them are not eating food, so there is a major headache during cancer treatment. Patients को खाना खिलाना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है। सारे मरीजों को देख लो, एक खा रहे हैं और नहीं खा रहे, तो मरीज भी नहीं खा रहे। हाँ देख लो, वो क्यों खा रहे हैं? जब कमजोर हो जाएंगे फिर पता नहीं। देख लो सारे मरीज जो वही खा रहे हैं, बस चलो एक खा रहे हैं, इन्हें खा लें। देखो दिस पेशेंट हैज ईटन फूड। यही प्रॉब्लम होता है हमारे मरीजों में। देख लो इतने भी देख लो, ग्लूकोज से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं, ग्लूकोज बंद पड़ा है। जस्ट फॉर यूट्यूब वीडियो जस्ट ये देखो सर, these patients have eaten food, the rest of the people have not eaten food, 3-4 days they सारे कमजोर हो जाएंगे, and it's doctor's fault. ट्रीटमेंट तो वही प्लान रहता है, खाना पीना बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत जरूरी है। पाइप के लिए बोल दो, नहीं पाइप नहीं डालनी। He's had his food, वो आराम से खाना खा रहा है, ये सारे अपने बहाने मार रहे हैं खाना नहीं खाना।
खाना आंटी आपने ठीक है?
ये देखो वो देखो, और इतना सवाल करना मैंने आपको खड़ा खाना देख के। अरे this is a porphyry ward, and most of them are males. We don't have a segregation of male and females. The Uncle ji, he had a melanoma, and he was operated, but he wasn't given radiation and chemo after his treatment. So we'll be starting him on treatment. He's just started yesterday. And porphyry treatment chal raha hai inka. No charges being charged from the patient. None of them are being charged from the patient. This is the operation theatre. You can't go inside. This is the OT, and अंदर जाके दिखा देना। Now we'll be going to the first floor. ये भी लंच के लिए जा रहे हैं, जो कि जा सकते हैं। ये रूल्स हमने सब बनाए हुए हैं, कोई पढ़ता है कि नहीं है पता नहीं, पर वॉल स्टेबलिंग भी नहीं है, किसी ने गलत काम नहीं लिखा हुआ वॉल्स पे, विच इज a good thing. This is the first floor. This is the chemo mixing room. And यहाँ से we mix the chemos and पूरा kit यहाँ available है. हमारा NS make sure only the NS and the IC and the infection control nurse are in charge of mixing chemos. Because the mixing here, washing is done here and everything. All the chemo is done here with the mask and gown, and you can we'll show it in a separate video. This is the chemo mixing room. यहाँ पे नर्सेस बैठती हैं और they fill the files and डॉक्टर चेक मारती हैं, पानी पीती हैं and आप हिमाचल के रहने के ये हमारे डिस्चार्जेस बनाते हैं, टाइप करते हैं. ये डॉक्टर सौरभ शेट्टी का रूम है, ये भी मेरे ख्याल लंच खाने के लिए गए हैं एंड इट्स सॉरी लंच टाइम था. दिस इज गोइंग अपस्टेयर्स टू द न्यू फ्लोरल यूनिटी, दिस न्यू स्वीट. दिस इज द प्राइवेट रूम. ये देख के टीमों के लिए एडमिट किया है फ्लोरल में. ये प्राइवेट रूम है हमारे, bathrooms, all these things, not a problem. As you can see, somebody is praying, so I want to disturb him. These are the private rooms. और ठीक हो, हमका रिपोर्ट ठीक है, ये तो ठीक, कोई नहीं ठीक हो जाएगा. हम तो जान बात की तो ठीक, कल छुट्टी कराने तो ठीक, बार बार जाने भी चाहिए हमने तो नहीं है. वो ऊपर वाला बैठा है बस. चलो ये लिखा है, ये सेमी प्राइवेट रूम है. नॉन सीरियस पेशेंट्स आर अबाउट टू गेट सीरियस. गर्मी गर्मी ना देते,
एसी चला देते हैं. 1 2 3 ताना भी.
So basically the idea about the video was that cancer is treatable, and just wanted to show you about my hospital, and it is not a big deal. We have all the facilities. Just come here, whether the patient is serious or not serious, we have all the facilities. Don't come to us, go to any cancer hospital which has all the facilities, and we can fight it. I can't fight it, we can fight it. I am a survivor, so can you be a survivor. No need to fake it to make it. Don't sleep on it like an ostrich. You have the disease, you get the treatment done. And I am with you. I am talking to you as a doctor, as an owner of a cancer hospital, of a hospice, and as a survivor, most importantly as a survivor of a double cancer. Please take care. Thank you. Oh, hello to बोल दो. Hello बोल. ऐसे करो. Hello. ये. और ये देखो lots and lots of Limca and Coke. और Coke नहीं पी रहे. Coke पियोगे? अंडा सारा कोक पी लो. इस पे आप खाना खा रहे हैं, अंडे भी खा रहे हैं, 2 अंडे खा रहे हैं हमारे टीम कैशलेस कार्ड वाले. चल ये बैकडोर एंट्रेंस है, जिसको हम कभी खोलते नहीं. अरे ये हमारा एसपी है. वेरी प्राउड ऑफ इट बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी कॉस्टली थिंग. ये हमारा ड्राइवर है. He is very bugged with me. मैं घर पे नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मैं YouTube पे वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, इसलिए घर नहीं जा रहा हूँ. तो इसको गुस्सा बहुत आ रहा है, तो इसलिए ये रमन में आना चाहते हैं मछली. ये भी पंजाब में है. These are the outfits, and and these are all the patients we are treating. We have currently around 74 patients on treatment, and currently it's just our breastboard and all the accessories are kept here, and there are a lot of accessories that's been for the electrons and the shielding, and the main part of the electro machine is behind the doors, and I don't think we need to go into this, but this is the machine. This is the main part of the machine, and it's the highest end version available. Massage. And this is the EPID which opens up into a CT scan, and this is the patient. I'm sorry for the patient, he's feeling cold. The temperature has to be maintained at 17? 18 degrees the patient has to be maintained, the temperature and the humidity. And for that we have calibrated we have AERB calibrated hygrometers and barometers for the room and humidity meters, and they're calibrated 6 monthly from AERB, and we send a staff. This is PTW dosimetry apparatus, which is done weekly and on a daily basis, and this is done for just for summer repairs. We have the head open, and otherwise it's closed up every day, and this is the main energy, and cancer can be beaten. We guarantee that cancer can be treated. Sir, please ahiye. And cancer is, when I was a student 30 years ago, renal cell carcinoma and HCC, hepatocellular carcinoma, lung cancer, brain tumors were untreatable things. And today, renal cell carcinoma is a very small thing. And today, we don't amputate anything. Everything can be saved. It's practically a joke now if somebody dies of cancer. It's due to the relatives' fault. They delay too much, or they don't go to a center where all the facilities are available, and that is painful. It's not actually a joke. I'm sorry for that word, but patient develops a cancer, a lump anywhere, an ulcer anywhere, any problem anywhere, loses weight, all the signs of TB, and there is no cancer which is not treatable today. All cancers can be treated, and this is our radiotherapy department, and there's one staff nurse who is missing, and thank you very much. Now we'll go to the rest of the departments. These are wheelchairs. We have the first aid kit, oxygen cylinders available with the treatment couches I've said before. This is a decommissioned brachytherapy room. Come on, ma'am. Now we'll go to this is the ground. This is the -2 level. And thank you, Yugadeep sir. We're very grateful to you. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. I hope I'm not boring you, but I just wanted to show the cancer hospital. आवाज ठीक आ रही है उन्हें. Now we'll go to B1. I don't know if the voice is coming out clearly. This is my first YouTube ever. Okay. I'm sorry, I don't have any tattoos. This is B1 minus B1. These are my mother-in-law's paintings, and they had to be put here. My wife is not here, and these are all markers which are compulsory. And Madhu ma'am, khabar. This is the staff available here. These steps come from downstairs. These come from the basement, and this is the HR room. HR room. HR ma'am is sitting here. This is Monica Katti, and she's our HR, and without her we couldn't Sahil. Without her we couldn't have done a wonderful job, and she better. And she looks small. Her size is small, but she does a wonderful job of recruiting people and wonderful staff she gets. And this is Katti, and this is our main chief administrator, Prakash Dangi. He's been with me for the past 26 years, and I'm very grateful to him. He's gone on a holiday. He's not here today. Otherwise, it would have been a pleasure meeting him, and we're very grateful to him. Ma'am, pharmacy mein jao, sara staff jao. Hello. And very grateful to this person. That's why we've given him the biggest desk, and he has a big computer also, and he gives big lectures and scold करते डांटते रहते मेरे को भी और स्टाफ को भी, एंड बाकी HR के सिर के ऊपर बैठे रहते हैं. HR ये she is just there for namesake. He is the main boss all in all. And this is the HR room, and here again we have Yagideep sir, who has put on better. He's doing treatment planning, and he's quite irritated with me. Why am I troubling him so much? And this is a patient of CA lung, screen te paya. And this is the tumor. This is the organ at risk, the heart, the tumor.
चलो सर.
This place holds big memories for me because I've had 2 cancers, prostate and thyroid. And as you can see, I have a thyroid scar. And this is the place where my wife and Dr. Vijay Vansal operated upon me. And I collapsed 2 times during the surgery. It was an 8-hour surgery. And I am a cancer survivor. That's why probably from the hearts of my hearts I wanted to make this video. And there's no words can replace my feelings for my center, my hospital. Money is not an issue. Everybody makes money. Right way, wrong way, normal way, whatever way. I'm very grateful to this place and to the staff, my staff. They took care of me. I collapsed twice during the surgery, the 8-hour surgery, and they brought me out. I had a thyroid and a prostate, separately 2 different cancers, and I'm 53. But I pulled through, and you can too. That is the main reason for me making this video. It's a long video, I know. I'm sorry if I'm boring you, but I'll try to put in some background music or something. But this is our OT, and this is where we did everything we could. And sir. ऊपर भी दिखाना पड़ेगा. ये हमारा सो कॉल्ड पार्किंग एरिया है विद बिग जनरेटर. इसका बैटरी चोरी होता रहता है. सिक्योरिटी इसीलिए खड़ा किया हुआ है हमने ताकि बैटरी नहीं चोरी हो, पर फिर भी चोरी होता रहता है बैटरी. तो वहाँ पे ये कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है. वी इंटेंड टू मेक इट मच बिगर एंड मच बिगर. And we are making a ICU and a hospital and what not, and these are all the ambulances. We now need to get 1, 2, 3, there are 4th and 5th ambulances available, and we are running along with them. And this is basically, this is also a hospital, that is also land, so we have lots and lots of land, and we are just happy with the work we are doing. We are around 70 beds available, all as you can see full capacity, and the weather is nice today, thank God. And the ambulances are coming and going, as you can see. It's a busy day, and this is these are the ये हमारे HOD का गाड़ी है. वो जो यज्ञदीप सर है जो ट्रीटमेंट प्लानिंग कर रहे थे, so he will buy a Rolls Royce नहीं, BMW खरीदेंगे अभी जल्दी से. Heart and treating the tumor by IGT or IMT, whatever sir plans on doing. And I know I'm disturbing him a lot, but
No, sir. Always welcome, sir.
and this is his main work. The doctor does it, and Dr. Dwivedi is, I don't know where she is.
Lunch.
Huh?
Lunch break.
Some people's lunch breaks never end.
I think.
He thinks, but I haven't seen her, Dr. Dwivedi. And this is Sir is doing the treatment planning. कोई treatment planning दिखा दो जिसका किया होगा. It's a very painstaking work which Yagdeep sir does, and that's why he looks a bit bugged with me. That's why I'm troubling him. And this is the Monaco which communicates with the machine down, and directly this feeds into the treatment. Complications. आवाज तो आ रही है. And this is the main server which we have, and this is the same server we've been having since 2006, and this is the same patient again. Sir is trying to figure out how we treat the lung maximum and treat the cardiac tissue minimum. कोई प्लांट वाला दिखाओ सर. Complicated देखो. रमन थक गए? कितने जा रहे हो? कितने हो? दीपशिखा तो आएगी. Sir is from Himachal, and Richa ma'am is also from Himachal, and the HR is from Uttarakhand, and I am from Haryana, and my wife was born and brought up in Chennai, and I think you get the point I'm getting, that no Punjabis here, and we have so-called Punjabi, but she's not actually Punjabi, looks Himachali. I'm talking too much, I know, but trying to make it entertaining. And main idea of this video is that cancer patients need not be scared of treatment. It is when what can I say, but the stupid relatives who don't pay attention to the signs and symptoms of the cancer, and that makes it late. Otherwise, my staff is ये साहिल है, he pays witness that there is no cancer patient who cannot be cured if he comes in an early stage. Am I right, Sahil?
Yes. And
जो patient छेती आ जाए,
curable है सर.
सारे curable हैं. Late आंदे हैं जड़ा अपा मतलब stupids हैं जड़े who come so late.
हाँ जी.
This is Aman. आ जाओ खड़े हो जाओ. आप कौन से स्टेट के हो?
पंजाब की
So there we have one Punjabi here. Otherwise, everybody has gone to Vancouver, Calgary, and Brampton, and Italy and Germany. बैठी सर. अब ये अब पाकिस्तान पे हमला हो रहा है. ये breast tissue है. We are बिल्कुल sparing, totally sparing the lung. As you can see, lung is getting a very minimal dose tissue. You won't understand this. We'll go into this some other time. And this is our treatment room, and these are patients who are ongoing treatment. And sir, better sir, please. He is the HOD of the department. And this is my daughter's painting. And this is one of my daughter's paintings, and it's a kind of like Jesus Christ. I like to put it like this. If you put it like this, it becomes a crow on a nest. So I prefer to put it like this. For some reason.
तोड़ मत देना सर.
So ये मेरी बेटी का बनाया हुआ, and we like paintings in our room. and sorry, take me just and this is our staff in our old hospital. In way back in 2004. This was our staff in 2004, and we've kept this here. That is a HR that time. This is my wife. She's out of station these days. She'll be back today. This is me looking younger, and as you can see, we can see Sahil and Sudan, who was upper negotiating the market prices. He was an OT technician that time, and right now he's become senior. Rest entire staff, and this is Dr. IPS, the Sardarji you saw in the opening, having a big fight with the argument with the patient upper, and this is 2004 or 6. So,
मधु मैन में रहना
तो
मधु मैन में रहना
मधु मैम कितने मधु ने दिखाने लाइट आ रही है, अंदर से नजर नहीं आएगा.